Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashudu Masuta. The JSE ended the day up 1% on 32,438 points. We spoke to Derek Janse van Rensburg from BOE Stockbrokers looking at the market sentiment.
Through the December period, and obviously as we started this year, you can definitely see strong outperformance in the resource sector, and it continues to tick up, and weakness doesn't persist for very long. So definitely a lot of appetite for that. I heard you chatting earlier about commodity prices. Commodity prices keep ticking up. At this point in time, markets are very frothy, but calling a top in a market is very difficult. I think that, with the trend and the momentum behind a lot of these resource stocks at the moment, it can continue. Just chatting to one of our senior portfolio managers, Chris, he, of the same opinion that these markets can continue further, and the likes of Anglo's Bulletin, big benefiters from the run that we're seeing at the moment.
Today, the NSE was up by 1.5% to close at 26,521 points. We spoke to Kubi Momo from UBA looking at the market today.
Bond yields have actually been down this year. There's been some slight improvement in the bond market since last week. Last week, we were trading only 2 maturities. This week, we've gone up to 5. Interest has been more at the short end of the market, maturities in 2013, 2014 at the most. So that's what we've been seeing in the bond market so far since the start of the year.
The NSE 20 closed 32 points down to end the day at 4,547 points. For an update on the market, we spoke to Isaac Njunguna, Head of Investments at Zimele Asset Management.
And well, the share price came down today, which was more or less in line with the rest of the market, bearing in mind that the issue price was more or less at 19 shillings and 50 cents, vis-a-vis the price at yesterday or today of about yesterday of about 25 shillings. Yeah, so I think investors are more or less looking at it and trying to weigh the options in line with the subscription results and the implications when the shares start trading on the 24th of this month.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.